This is one of the reasons why I can't go out vlogging, guys. It's like this pretty much constantly. The kids love it. I love it, but like not every day. Now it was sunny like an hour ago, then all of a sudden this. Look at the kids playing in it. They love it. Now what I'm thinking of doing is we've concreted that. We've got rid of all the soil. We've concreted it. I'm thinking of putting like 3, maybe 4 barrels and put a gutter on to divert the water into the barrels. So if there's ever a water shortage, which there shouldn't be in Naga because the rain never seems to stop, we've got water to wash. I've got a filtration system that if we ever need to use it, I can put into use. Now I've tried to get my solar generators repaired, guys, and basically it's going to cost too much to repair them. They can be repaired, but I need new batteries. The batteries have swollen, and the charging unit needs to be replaced. It's going to cost about 12,000 pesos. It's not worth it just for it to happen again. You know, I did nothing wrong. Everything's how it should be. So I'm thinking about putting a full system in, sort of over a period of time, obviously. So if there's anybody out there who knows how to do that and can help us sort of get the right panels and batteries and this, that and the other, and actually install it, I'd love to hear from you, because I've had 2 quotes and I got the foreigner price and I ain't paying it. Well, I can't pay it. So if there's anybody out there who can do it or knows somebody that can do it and I ain't gonna get ripped off, again, I'd love to hear from you. Here's Sandra, look. That's trouble, isn't it? She's in there. Why do you need Ate there? Do you know, it creases me. Matthew, what? Yeah, that's okay. Okay. The women will come by and they'll see my kids, and the first thing they say every time, I kid you not, is, "Oh, Fia, where's your mummy? Fia, where's your daddy? Fia." Oh God. Honestly, that's what happens. The kids though, they're great. Absolutely great. Do you know, when I get to the point where I'm going to sell my house, but as the things that are happening in the world at the minute doesn't look very likely anytime soon, I'm going to miss this place. Really am. Going to miss it. It'd be nice to like have some privacy, but I'll miss all the kids and everything that goes off, because there's parties all the time. There's always something happening. Here's my son, look. He's checking to make sure it's alright. Are you washing in the rain? Okay. He's doing ever so well at school, guys. He's coming back with 2-3 stars, which is really good. I'm very happy. I didn't think he'd do that well. My daughter, she's as sharp as a pin. She's going to do amazing. Hear me. And then she does worse than Matthew. No, she's going to do really good. So if there's a shortage of videos, you know what? Oh God, here we go. I've got to be careful not to get kids on the videos. Look at that, idiot. So welcome to the Philippines. So again, it's all concreted off. So we've got, I could get a motorbike now, I've got somewhere to put it. No, joke around. I don't want another motorbike. It's a shame the water meter's there. If that was gone, it would be really good, but the people next door are not good people. So if we say, can we move the water meter, it's going to be no. So it's not worth bothering asking, to be honest. So that's it. I just wanted to do a quick video, guys, and tell you what I'm thinking of doing with the solar, if we can get there. But we need somebody that, I want somebody that knows what they're doing. I can do it myself, but because these two generators have gone south, I want somebody that's gonna put all the fail-safes in, let's say. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this short little video of the monsoon, and we'll see you on the next video. Please subscribe, share our videos, give the thumbs up or down, it doesn't matter, and make sure the notification bell's not gonna slash through it. And if you'd like to support the channel, there's Patreon and membership, and if you'd like to do a super thanks below this video, would appreciate it. 25 pesos lang, only 25 pesos. Every little helps. Bye. Well, second day, guys, same thing, lot. It's a little bit lighter, so I don't think it's going to last hours, but like it did for the last video I've just done, I've gone straight from that into a second day. I was going to end it with that video, but I just thought I'd add this on, showing you again. These are family, by the way, they're from next door. Oh, it's slowing down now. So people are saying that they want me to talk on the videos, they don't want any silent videos anymore. I expected that, because most of the people that have subscribed to the channel like me rattling on and now. So it's stopping. So there you go. There you go, started again as soon as I turned the camera off. That's what it's like here. Like I've said many times, I love it, but not like every day. The sky doesn't look as black as it normally is when it's raining like this. It's pretty weird. Look at it. I think what we should do is down the side we should put a guttering up, and then put some barrels down here to collect the water, so if the water pressure ever goes where you can hardly get anything out, you can just go into the barrels. Or if the water's ever turned off for any reason, there's water to get washed at least. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe, please hit that like button, please share our videos, and make sure the notification bell is not got a slash through it. Is not got a slash, has not got a slash. That's my son. And if you'd like to support this channel, there's super thanks underneath the video. There's links in the video below. If you want to be a patron, PayPal, now's the time, guys. See you on the next one.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out.